So farmers, today I want us to talk about Chaffer. Chaffer, as you can see, Chaffer are organisms that attack the roots of a perennial plant like mogoka, coffee, macadamia, at the roots of these plants. In this case, when these roots are attacked, in this case they tend to chew the covering of the roots, so that after being chewed, they are unable to absorb water from the ground, rendering them from doing their metabolic activities on a day-to-day basis. So in this case, you find that the plants are malnourished, or they are stunted. They are not growing. Some tend to look as if to show some signs of drying up, yet the plant is alive. So in this case, the main cause is Chaffer, commonly known as Marindi. Marindi is a Bantu name that is used to refer to Chaffer. So in this case, we use various chemicals like abamectin containing chemicals, or chlorpyrifos containing chemicals, or rather imidacloprid, containing chemicals. So in this case, the three chemicals are used to control the Chaffer from the ground. Examples we have abamectin, examples we have abamide, alonzem, agrimec. That is the market names of these chemicals. We also have chlorpyrifos like Ranger is the trade name of of the chemical that contains chlorpyrifos. We have Loyalty, we have Confido that contain imidacloprid molecules. So in this case, these are the steps. So whereby now we make a small basin around the root zone of the soil. That is a small. That is you scoop some soil around the root zone of these plants, of the affected plants, and then you dilute these chemicals as I have said. And how do you go about it? In this case, you measure a double of what has been prescribed for spraying. You do a double of that based on the chemicals that I've talked about. So if, for example, if it is abamectin containing chemical, and it is prescribed to spray, that is 20 ml in 20 liters. In this case, you do a double, that is 40 ml in 20 liters of water. In this case, after that, you make sure you dilute with 20 liters of water, whereby now that solution that you are making, as you can see, I'm making a solution of the chlorpyrifos that I've done just used. So in this case, this is now the final solution that I'm making, so that you can so that I can apply at the root zone of the affected plant. So in this case, this after making that solution, you now apply at the root zone. So in this case, the solution you've made should be applied half a liter to, that is between half a liter and 1 liter per plant. The solution now between half a liter and 1 liter. So in this case, an estimation of half a liter, that is a solution between half a liter and 1 liter, is as you can see, there are 2 cups. The 2 cups can give you an estimation of around maybe 3/4 of a liter. So in this case, it will be enough for each plant. So in this case, why do we do a double the rate of the chemical? Because in this case, it will dilute alongside when it is moving along the horizon. So in this case, and we want this chemical to reach the Chaffer at a state in which it will kill this Chaffer. You see, in this case, we have to double the rate, so that now, after dilution along the soil horizon, it will reach this Chaffer. It will reach these Chaffer at a state in which they will kill the Chaffer. So in this case, just do that, and you'll be okay. Please note the soil must be wet. In this case, it is either you are irrigating your that is your plants, or it is during the rainy season. So in this case, the soil must be wet, so that now that is what you are applying can reach that is can reach the pest, that is the pest on the ground. When the soil is very dry, the chemical tend to be lost along the way. It will not reach the that is the Chaffer grams. So in this case, and also note that you should repeat 3 times. That is, assuming you have done today and it is on Wednesday, the next time you should repeat is next week, the same day on Wednesday. Maybe that is alternating, using, maybe if you started with the chlorpyrifos, then repeat on the same day after 1 week with imidacloprid. Then the third time is now the third Wednesday. That is, you can also repeat with either chlorpyrifos or abamectin. Please.